Now today we will discuss the perpendicular distance of a point from line. The article is perpendicular distance of a point from the line. So students, let us consider a line. Let the line is on ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and point is x1 y1. Now the problem is how to find the perpendicular distance of a point from a line. Let us consider the axis system x dash y dash, and this is the point that is named as x1 y1, and the distance of a point from the line. This is the line, and join these points. Okay, so this is the point P and triangle. ये मैं ट्रायंगल बना रहा हूँ और ये पॉइंट बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है. तो दिस इज द ट्रायंगल. ओके, the distance of the point P from the triangle. Draw the perpendicular. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Now the question is find the perpendicular distance of a point from the line. So let us consider this meet at point R and Q, and from P draw a perpendicular, and this perpendicular is that M. Now this MP is equal to D, the distance of the point from the line. Okay, this is the distance of the point from the line. Now students, you see the line is intersecting x-axis and y-axis. So therefore the coordinates of this point क्या होगी? The line intersecting x-axis, अगर x-axis को intersect करती है तो y 0 हो जाएगा. What are the values of x? That is minus c upon a and 0. And similarly the point R on y-axis, and on y-axis you know that x is equal to 0. So therefore the point on this will be minus c upon b. Okay, so these are the coordinates of the point P and Q. After getting the point A and P and Q, P, Q and R, how to get the distance MP? You know that the area of triangle, that is PQR is equal to half of base, that is RQ, into height, that is PM. Now our problem is to find the PM, the distance of the point base. So therefore this PM can be written as twice of area of triangle PQR and divided by PQ. Okay, the distance between these 2 points, sorry, not PQ, that is RQ, the distance between the points. Now the students, how to get the area? Now let us consider this is 1, give it number 1. Now after that, how to find the area? See, I am writing here the equation first as, that is twice of area of triangle PQR and whole upon RQ, and this is number 1. Now the problem is how to get the value of this area of triangle and RQ, the distance between the points. The points, that is R, you know, and that is Q, you know, the value of R on y-axis, and this is on x-axis. X-axis पे you know that the line, this is the line. I am writing the equation of line here. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. तो coordinate of point x के coordinate आपको मिल गए थे. x में y 0 होता है, तो ये वैल्यू मिल गई थी minus c upon a, and similarly r x 0, that is minus c upon b. Okay. Now y axis, you know, x is equal to 0. So therefore area of triangle, you know the formula, area of triangle PQR will be half of, that is the first coordinate, that is 0 and minus c, or I will start with xy. P is x1 and y1, and next is 0 and minus c upon b, and third is minus c upon a and 0, and repeat the first. You know how to get the area of triangle. पहली एक्सरसाइज में हमने करा था. So therefore this becomes half. Sign of mod will be here, cross multiplying, that is minus of cx1 upon b, this minus this by cross multiplying, and plus this minus this, that is equal to by multiplying this, and minus here again minus of, that is c square upon, you see, that is x1 y1 x2 y2 and c square or multiplying, that is c square upon ab. Okay, and again the plus multiplying this, that is minus of c y1 upon a. You see how to multiply, cross multiplication, that is this into this plus this into this and plus this, that is this into 0. Now on rearranging this, can be written as half साइन ऑफ मॉड हियर, यहाँ से ये मॉड के साथ माइनस बाहर आएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा, दिस डिस्टेंस सी एक्स वन अपॉन बी एंड प्लस ऑफ सी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए बी एंड प्लस ऑफ सी वाई वन अपॉन ए बी. ओके, और on simplification, after simplifying this, can be written as c taken outside, half is outside and ab also taken outside, so therefore this becomes x1 of a and plus of c and plus of, that is by1 mod. Okay, and give it number 2. Right. Now after that, after getting the area, we need the distance between the point RQ. So how to get the distance RQ? RQ is the distance between the 2 points by using distance formula, x2 minus x1 square, that is c square upon a square, and plus of y2 minus y square, y2 minus y, x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1 square, so this becomes b square under root, or can be written as c outside and inside we have, that is the c taken outside by solving this, that is c square upon a square plus this c outside and a square b square under root के outside, ये भी क्या हो जाएगा ab, c square taken outside, ab taken outside, and inside we left with b square by taking LCM, you know. Okay, and give it number 3. Now the students, after getting the values of the distance and area, you have to substitute in equation number first. So by using equation first, the distance PM, that is noted by D, PM जो है हमने D से लिखा है, and this will be the area of triangle, that is twice of this. By substituting the value twice of this, therefore this can be written as C upon AB and into AX1 plus BY1 plus C and whole upon the distance, this is equal to C upon AB and under root of A square plus of B square. Now this to this cancel, so therefore the distance D can be written as AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon under root of A square B square. So this is the distance. This will always be positive, so therefore this is the distance of a point, perpendicular distance of a point from the line. So this is the way to get the perpendicular distance formula. Okay, and you have to remember this in the way the line is this, point is this, so therefore the distance will be written as AX1 and plus of BY1 and plus C upon under root of A opposite x square and y square. So this is called as the perpendicular distance formula. That is the distance of a point, the perpendicular distance of a point from a line. Okay. Now, after this, the distance between the parallel lines. अब अगर lines parallel आती हैं तो उनके बीच में distance कैसे लाएंगे? देखो, the distance between parallel lines. If the lines are parallel, then the distance. How to find the distance? Let the first line is ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. Another is ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Let the line first and second. These are the parallel lines. You know the condition for parallel lines. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. So therefore the distance between the parallel lines will be given by C1 minus C2 divided by under root of A square plus of B square. So this is the formula to find the distance between the parallel lines. Means when the lines are parallel, passing through the coordinate axis like this. This is first line, this is second line. So therefore to find the distance between the lines, the formula is C1 minus C2 upon under root of, means coefficient of x whole square and coefficient of y whole square. Okay. So therefore after getting the formula, we will solve the exercise. The exercise is 10.3. ये हमने कल स्टार्ट करी थी लास्ट लेक्चर में. एक्सरसाइज दैट इज 10.3. In 10.3 I will start with question number 4. Find the distance of a point. What is the question number 4? Find the distance of the point. Point is given as -1 and 1 from the line. The line is given as 12 times of x plus 6 is equal to 5y minus of 2. Okay. So this is the line and the question is find the perpendicular distance of the point from the line. So first of all, you have to arrange the line properly. That is 12x plus 72 is equal to 5y minus 10, and students can be written as 12x minus 5y and plus of 82 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line. Now the problem is how to get the distance of the line from the point. The distance of the line from the point. So formula is ax1 plus b and y1 plus c, that is 82 upon under root of a square, the coefficient of x, that is 144, and coefficient of this, that is 25. Distance positive, sign of mod can be written as 12 minus 5 plus of 82. Okay, minus 12 minus 5 and 82 and divided by 169 means 13 under root. Right? On simplification, this will gives you 65 upon 13. That implies the distance is 5 units. So this is the way to find the distance of a point from a line. Okay. Now after this question number 4, I will start the another, that is the question number 5. What is given in question number 5? Find a point on x-axis whose distance from the line x upon 3, the y upon 4 is equal to 1 are 4 units. 4 units. Okay. Listen. That is find the point on x-axis whose distance from the line is x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equal to 1 or 4 units. ठीक है. तो आपको point x-axis से लाना है तो लिखो let the point on x-axis, let this is p, और x-axis पे point जो हो जाएगा that is equal to a and 0, because on x-axis y is equal to 0, and the line you have to arrange the line properly, then find the distance of the line from the point is given. Okay. Therefore, how to arrange the line? The line is 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. The distance of the line from point P is given. So distance is 4a plus 3 into 0 and minus 12 this mod upon under root of this is 16 plus of 9 is given as 4. That is given as 4. The distance of this is given as 4. Now, how to get the value of this a? That is 4a minus 12 a mod, and this becomes 5 multiplied this with this. Therefore, this mod having two values, number plus and another is minus. So therefore, by replacing the mod, we apply the sign of plus and minus either on either side. तो therefore आप यहाँ लगाएंगे तब भी ठीक है, उधर तो कैसे? That is 4a minus 12 is equal to 20, the first case, and next is minus 4a plus 12 is equal to 20. By solving this, 4a is equal to 32. That implies a is equal to 8. Okay, so value of a is 8. Now the second case is minus 4a is equal to 8. So therefore a is equal to minus 2. So these are the 2 points. Okay, on x-axis वहाँ जहाँ से इस लाइन का जो डिस्टेंस है that is 4 unit. Okay, now this is the question number 5th. Now in question number 6 of the same exercise, the question number 6 is find the distance between the parallel lines. Now the question is find the distance between the parallel lines. The lines are 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0, and another is 15x plus 8y plus of 31 is equal to 0. Okay, so let us consider the lines are named as first and second, and the distance between the parallel lines, you know that C2 minus C1. Here C1 is equal to minus 34 and C2 is equal to 31. The distance between the parallel lines, that is C1 minus C2 mod upon under root of a square plus of b square. Okay, so therefore can be written as C1 minus C2 means minus 34 and minus 31 this mod divided by under root of this means 15 square plus of 8 square. Now students solve it and get the value of this. Can be written as this is negative, mod हटा दूंगा तो क्या मिल जाएगा? This becomes positive, so therefore this is 65 upon 17 units. Okay, so this is square root of 289. So this is the distance between the parallel lines. This is all about today lecture.